How to split longer videos in Instagram. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for Video Splitter and tap on Search. Now install this application and tap on Open. Now tap anywhere. Now allow. Now select any video you want to split. Now tap on Split Now. You can also choose from other options. Now go back. Now wait for some time. Now go back to your home screen and open up File Manager. Now tap on Device Storage and go to Movies. Now select Video Splitter. Open up the folder. Now select the video and tap on Share. Now tap on Instagram and go to Stories. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a bonding question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.